Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to letting you know something about mobile phone, that how you can activate call waiting into your mobile phone, any SIM card, any network, anything. If you want to activate, first of all, you're gonna ask me that why call waiting is very important and why we should activate our call waiting. Now keep in mind that if you are talking with someone and if anyone is trying to call you, they will never able to call you, and their notification will be also like that you are busy. But if you want to let them call in between the calling, and they will also know that you are busy with someone another, and you will receive a call between the present call. Now how you can activate, and if you want to ask the call between the waiting, you can easily attend the call, and you can talk with the person too. Now what we can do and how we can activate this, first of all, I'm requesting you, please like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now how you can do so, you have to just go to calling button, and after that you have to just type *43 and type hash, and after that you have to just press call button from that SIM card on which you want to activate the call waiting system. Now what we have to do, we have to just press this and it start MMI code started, and it will notify you that call waiting has been enabled or call waiting has been activated. Okay, now as you can see in front of you, it's saying call waiting service was enabled. Now hope you understand that how you can do so, and after that you will receive calls in between the call. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.